Quiet luxury. It's subtle, it's elevated, and it's quickly becoming one of the most popular design trends across homes this year. If you've been wanting a space that feels calm, elegant, and timeless without shouting for attention, this trend might just be made for you. Today, we're breaking down what quiet luxury really means, why it's become so popular, and how you can bring it into your own home. Quiet luxury is all about refinement without extravagance. Think thoughtful details, natural textures, earthy tones, and pieces that feel considered rather than flashy. It focuses on craftsmanship, materials, and comfort, not branding or overstyling. It's the kind of design where everything looks effortlessly put together, but never overdone. In the UK, quiet luxury fits perfectly with the way many homes are built and lived in. Our spaces aren't always huge, so the trend leans into calmness and functionality rather than clutter. It also aligns with the growing shift away from over-the-top decor. People want homes that feel peaceful after long days, especially during darker months when we rely on our interiors even more. Quiet luxury doesn't try to impress, it creates comfort. Color is the foundation of this aesthetic. The palette is soft, natural, and soothing. Think stone, oat, mushroom gray, warm taupe, and muted earth tones. These colors create a gentle backdrop that makes spaces feel expansive and harmonious. If you're unsure where to start, repainting a room with a calm neutral instantly sets the tone for a quieter, more refined style. Quiet luxury is heavily inspired by natural materials. Linens, wool, marble, wood, stone. These textures give your home a feeling of warmth and authenticity. They age beautifully, and each one adds subtle character without overwhelming the space. You don't need to replace everything. Even small touches like a linen throw, a stone vase, or a wooden side table can make your room feel far more elevated. When it comes to furniture, aim for quality over quantity. Choose pieces with clean lines, curved silhouettes, and natural finishes. Built-in cabinetry is brilliant for hiding clutter and creating a seamless look. Decor should be simple but intentional. Curated books, sculptural vases, soft lighting, and handmade pieces. The goal is to create a space that feels lived in, but thoughtfully so. Quiet luxury isn't about being perfect, it's about how your home feels. Soft lighting, comfortable textures, spaces that help you unwind. It's interior design that supports your daily life, not distracts from it. If your home feels peaceful to live in, you've achieved the look. And that's your guide to the quiet luxury trend for 2025. If you want more design tips and renovation ideas, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating a home that feels calm, elegant, and beautifully yours.